I'm Todd from Central Oregon Survival Network.
I'm Bill from Rimrock Outdoors.
I'm Nick with Central Oregon Desert Explorers.
I'm Nick, the Adventure Biscuit.
I'm Casey with Coyote Works.
I'm Sean Squelch, Pacific Northwest from Modern Bushcraft Survival.
We like guns.
We like axes and knives.
We like chainsaws.
We like to blow stuff up.
We like cast iron cooking.
We like building shelters, and we're Modern Bushcraft Survival.
When you join our group, you join our brotherhood.
When MBS goes out shooting, we only use the best Vortex scopes.
When we're doing our Modern Bushcraft Survival, I don't like to drink much water. I like my bullet bourbon.
When we're not filtering our own pee or drinking out of a mud puddle, we enjoy Crystal Geyser natural spring water.
And we enjoy the authentic snack of Modern Bushcraft Survival, Don Poncho's authentic Mexican tortilla chips.
When Modern Bushcraft Survival goes out, we like to drink an all-American, true family brewed Ham's beer. America.
And the official hot beverage of MBS, Swiss Miss Hot Chocolate.
We love you, Todd. I'm sure you do. I mean, probably a little too much.
One of these days you'll hit it.
Set up a little tarp shelter last night, similar to...
Sean Squelch, Pacific Northwest, and I fucked it up.